This is John with WTI, and I just recently took a break with all the deodorants that were with the paste. Sometimes it would create me some stains in my shirts, or it would stay too much there, and the sensation was a little bit uncomfortable. So this is where this Dove Extra Fresh spray deodorant comes into place. It's just so handy. I put this in my bag and I can have different deodorants and one in my bag for my daily commute, one in my room for normal situations, and one in my car. So I always like to stay prepared for situations and not to be having that problem in the day. So I always try to keep my hygiene top tier, top notch, no problem. So having a great deodorant is gonna hold me for doing sports, just for daily commute, and it has already like a great idea and great options for you just to smell great. It has some great feeling, great smell. That even feels like if you had a fragrance on top of you. But so this was John with WTI, and that was my point.